here's a quick road test after I replaced the pedal position sensor. I didn't show how to do that because there's some good videos out there already. Were really helpful to me. But basically, whenever I would floor it before, it would throw an error and fall flat on its face and lose all power. I showed that in another video, but now it seems like I can floor it now. No issues. Got to slow down here. This is really rough and I can't get over. I don't think I'll be able to get quite up to 60 here, but I can do a little bit of an acceleration run here, just for fun. I don't think there's anybody behind me, so let's just punch it. The traction kicked in a little bit. Just almost hit 60 there. Got a rough road and some turns. But so far, several times of flooring it, and it's working great. I got that particular part off of Rock Auto, and it actually only took me about well, I'm going to say 15 minutes to replace it and clear the codes. And for those of you who have not seen my video about the Benz 38 connector, I did need to actually use that. I cleared all the codes out of the car, so I'll be driving it for a while and seeing if any of them return. But yeah, so I've replaced the brake light switch, and transmission electrical connector. Oh, and a note about that. On this particular car, this is a 2000 CLK320 Convertible. The transmission connector is a little bit difficult on this car because the exhaust pipe wraps right around the transmission pan, and it really blocks access. So I actually had to use a couple extensions and a swivel to get the 7mm socket up in there. I actually had to go up above one of the suspension braces to get that going, and a little over a quart came out, so it was more than what some of the other videos have said. I just so happened to have some AMSoil ATF from a previous Mercedes, and I was just able to dump that out, dump that in, I should say. I basically just put in what came out. So those are the latest updates on this car. The next job that I'm going to do is replace the two cables in the top. I don't expect that to be more than a couple hours to do, and that's being kind of conservative and assuming stuff's going to go wrong, but not too wrong. Yeah, the transmission connector job was a real pain in the butt. Let's see, let me do another floor it here. Yeah, that's nice. And it seems more responsive now too, with the new pedal sensor. But as you can see, I'm running pretty low on fuel, so my next stop is to head to the gas station and go ahead and fill this thing up. Premium, of course. Alright, if anybody has any questions, post them in the comments. I try to reply to all the comments.